Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Coinbase language. So let's get started. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then tap onto Profile and Settings. Now scroll down. And here you can find there is no any built-in feature that you can change the language on the Coinbase app. So to change it, go to the Settings app of your mobile phone, just like this. Then tap on to search bar and type language and region settings, just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can simply add the language and change it. And that's it. Only after doing this, you can change the language on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.